Hey there, how are you? My name is Jorge Daniel, and in this video I will show you how to choose the home page for your Dynamics 365 or model-driven Power App. When you start your app, the default home page is the first entry on the left, but you can change that. In this scenario, we are in customer service, so we would like to jump right into support cases. To do that, go to your personalization settings and from General, select the default pane. Now, if you're using Dynamics, chances are you may see different areas, like in this tab here where I have Sales Hub for Dynamics 365. But if you are in a Power App, it's probable that you may have only an area or two depending on how the app was built. So select the area and then you can select the entry from the menu where you wish your home page to be. Click OK. And now if we click Home, it goes straight into support case. Great stuff, right? I hope you've enjoyed this one, and I really hope to see you soon. Bye.